Oh, 28 right now. Oh, hey, Josh. 28 catnip. Can't make that much through. Can't make that much. Wait, Kitten's already there. He's never here anymore. They removed him. Man, that sucks. Oh, I thought the animals are gone. Wait, where did I go? These animals are so cute. Frick. Oh, okay. Simon's cat wasn't here before. As with the otter. Oh, yeah, they put him back. Oh, you're so adorable, my friend, otter. Where did it? Oh, okay. That dove is new. That dove is so cute. She looks pretty. Now Kim started moving, sleeping. He's adorable. Wait, what is? The rabbit has a watch or something. Oh my god, Teddy. He hit it. This cat. Oh, Jazz is building a sandcastle. Oh my god, Jazz is so happy. Oh, okay, he's not. Oh, okay, Jazz. Damn. Oh, okay, he's happy. Yeah, I made a sandcastle. Whoa. Oh, come on. I just want to build that. I'm done. This cat is good. You are done with my... Oh, okay, good job. Finally, the squirrel started moving. That thing looks adorable. Wait, what about? Yeah, that badger didn't move. Oh, okay, the fox started moving. Haha. It's like... so funny. Another one started moving. These buddies are cute. They wouldn't have moved. Clickety claws. Oh, you know what? Don't mess up with these animals. Its ears kind of look weird. That's okay. It's a cute. Wait, I love you. These animations look pretty sweet and new. Can't do that to my dog friend, will you? I'm gonna collect the boost. Okay, how about this? I'll use this for now and save the two for rest. What if it's another hot streak? Cause, man, what the hell is with the stupid, ugly tricks? I can't stand them anymore. You're the ones who can't handle criticism. Now frick you and get the heck out of my social media sites. Man, social media isn't my life. This isn't my life though. I like Weird World's life because they're beginning to be important. Man, Jazz was building a sandcastle, and when you know it fills out, and he starts to build a new one, he's like, "Oh, come on, stupid sandcastle!" You made that noise. Don't do that. I'm sorry, Mario is so mad. Speaking with the pine squirrel started moving. Yeah, the pine squirrel started moving, except for the badger. That's all right. They're still working on some animals that can move, like a great horned owl and a bat. No, you know what? I'm done. I'm done. So long, babe. I'm done. You piece of crap. I wish there were more dungeons on that day. Wow, that's kind of nice. You clearly made yourself a imbecile. Well, it's good. This is not cool, man. Suck puzzles. Eat that crap. You know what? Screw it. I'm still looking for that godfast egg machine. What? Ignore that. Then that means I won't be able to watch that attack much due to this mischievous behavior out there. It's making me go crazy. Watch this. It's only 1 minute. Oh, that dog's so cute. Thank God you added it. He's a cute cuddler. Cuddle him now. Now you can eat that, my brothers. None of these treats are for you. Oh, silverware! Eat my own sick dick straight in my stomach. Where are you going? What are you doing with that? What are you trying to be? Oh yeah. It's gonna fuel your day better. He's getting rare stuff. He's getting rare stuff. He's getting rare stuff. He's getting like rare stuff. I wonder. It's like rolling. It's like a fortune of wheel. And it's like this. Spinning the wheel. You give me some cookies, and I'm gonna use Oreo. Mostly an Oreo. Give me more. Just eat my treats. No mice can have them except those cute mice in the game. No way. That is so nice of people to do. One comment say like, boo rats. Dogs, yes. I agree. Oh, that was super quick. Let me look for another one. But in July. Put in July, so everything can be perfect. Now, I want to see you. That's for my bro's birthday. Eat that, my brothers. You're not gonna get treats ever again. You're not gonna get those treats ever again. You're done. You're done for me this week. Especially, you're done for the hurricane week. Because I'm not gonna give you some anymore. No Oreos, no cookies, no games. Gonna stick to something else. Wait a minute. I'm not gonna look at you anymore if you give me some treats, because I'm hungry. Damn the treats. Well, now give me the treats. They make Simon's cat. We just know that. And I'm gonna go to that nether level if I can't complete this one. What level did he get? Oh, I think it was the spring part with Macy and Simon's cat. Yeah, I remember going through that like a few months ago. Like a few months ago. Screwing up a vacation even more so than we were. Plan. Have a fantastic day.